Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to introduce you to my new favorite candle in my candle collection. This beautiful candle by CoCo Benjamin is now one of my favorites. This unique aroma of basil lime mandarin is so unique. It kind of reminds me of a summertime kitchen with a hint of lime and a fruity fragrance. It's absolutely wonderful. And I love, even though it's just an 8.1 ounce candle, it fills my whole house with this amazing aroma. CoCo Benjamin has many other scents. A lot of them are very unique and I can't wait to try them all. Another thing that I really love about this candle is how long it's lasted. I have burned this for several hours and you can see here how much is actually gone. I love the beautiful amber color of the glass that it's in. I think after this candle is gone, I'm going to reuse it and make my own candle. So if you are looking for a clean burning soy candle that is absolutely beautiful and has a wonderful aroma as a gift for you or a loved one, you have found it. And that's my point of view.